Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Maria Pritel, and in these hard days, we're all looking for ways to keep ourselves busy, but most importantly, healthy. So today, I'm gonna be making a recipe with you guys that is something that I've tried a long time ago, a little bit from a spoon, but it has never been a main dish in my meals. I've never really bought it for the house until now. For me, it was like an enemy. So now I'm opening up to have it in my life and in my diet. And this is the first time that I'm gonna be cooking it with you guys. So wish me luck. The main ingredient in this recipe is low in calories, rich in iron. It helps reduce significantly bad cholesterol, and it's an excellent source of protein. So we're gonna be making an easy vegan lentil soup. The ingredients are olive oil, vegetable broth, sea salt, coriander, paprika, cumin, diced tomatoes, spinach, lemon, carrots, onion, garlic, and celery. And of course, our main ingredient. Now that everything is chopped, we're gonna heat olive oil over medium-high heat, and we're gonna add the onions, the garlic, carrots, and celery. And we're gonna leave it there for 4 to 5 minutes.